Hi, LA2D. This is your favorite teacher, Anna, and this is our lesson for Monday, May 31st. It is Monday, so you will need your spelling book, this one, and you're also going to need your reading street, and we will do one page of Readers and Writers Notebook today. Your homework, of course, will be the spelling. All right. This week, I get to see you all on Wednesday in our first Google Meet video, and I'm very, very excited about that. And I really am excited to see you guys. And also on Thursday, we're going to try to do our first online reading test. Okay. And I think I said this before, but it will be shorter and probably easier than reading tests we have done so far this year in person. But since we're all new to this and learning how to do it, I want to make sure everybody's knows how to fill it out first before we get crazy with our testing, okay? We are going to slow down a little bit because our final exams will be a week later than originally planned. So instead of like the 18th, it's the week after that, the 24th, okay? So we have a little more time. Hooray. Okay, so we are on Unit 33 in our spelling books. Unit 33 starts on page 169. So you should have this book open in front of you and you need a pencil, okay? I'm going to read this first because this is long and there is a lot of it. So let's read it together. This week's words. Each of this week's words has a vowel sound followed by R. There are two different vowel sounds with R in the words. You hear one of the vowel sounds with R in part. This is the sign for those sounds. It's got that A with two dots above it, and then R. You say it R, okay? So you spell R with A-R, as in car, right? C-A-R, car, A-R-R. All right, next paragraph. You hear the other vowel sound with R in morning. Here is the sign for those sounds. Got an O and a little upside down V on it, and then an R, like that, okay? So, and you say that or. The words show three ways to spell or. You spell or with O-R in torn. You spell or with O-R-E in more. And you spell or with O-O-R in door, okay? So there's only one way to spell R, but there are three ways to spell or this week. It's the same sound. All right. There are two O's in door, remember. All right, let's take a look at the words. Number one, part, P-A-R-T. Part. Part is a noun. Surprising, but I had to look it up. And yeah, part is a noun. So that is a part of the class. A part, so part must be a noun. Number two, arm. A-R-M. Arm. This is my arm. Arm. Okay. Number three, far. F-A-R. Far. Far is an adjective. So write A-D-J next to it. It can also be an adverb. So what? Okay, so let's just go with adjective this time. Did I forget to say that arm is a noun? I think I forgot to say that. Number two, arm, you should write N next to it. Arm is a noun, okay? By the way, number three, far. What is the opposite of far? Far opposite is close or near. Okay? So my pen is close to me. My tiger is too far for me to take it. I would need to stand up, and I do not want to stand up. It's too far. I can't get it. Okay? Far. Number 4. Hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. Hard is an adjective. So please write A-D-J, adjective. Opposite of hard. There is the opposite of hard, like easy. Like spelling hard is very easy. And then there's also the opposite of hard is soft. So I'm gonna take this thing out. This thing is hard. This thing is, my bed is soft. Okay? Soft, hard. Easy, hard. So hard has 2 meanings. Okay? Number 5 is start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Start is a verb, so please write V. It also can be a noun, so also write N, okay? Start. Past tense, if it's a verb, is ed. Started, okay? Noun, the opposite of start is end. E-N-D, end, okay? You should write all of this down because it's going to be important for your homework, okay? Number 6 is morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Morning is a noun. Write down N. And the opposite of morning is evening. Evening is E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening, okay? So the sun comes up in the morning and the sun goes down in the evening. All right, number 7. Torn. Torn. T-O-R-N. Torn. Torn is a verb. What do I want to... So, it means the same as this. Tear. The verb present tense is tear. I tear the paper. T-E-A-R. Tear. Past tense of tear is tore. T-O-R-E. Tore. And then torn is the past participle. Okay? So tear. Uh-oh, I wrote it down wrong. Tore. Torn. So I tear the paper. I just tore the paper. My paper is torn. Okay? All right. I have torn the paper. Why did I do that? No, I want to show you this. Yeah. So tear, T-E-A-R, not my best R in the world, but you get it. T-O-R-E, tore, T-O-R-N, torn. Present tense, past participle. Okay, number 8 is before. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Before is a preposition. Preposition, you can write P-R-E-P. Preposition. The opposite of before is after. After, A-F-T-E-R. After, okay? So, Monday is before Tuesday. After Tuesday is Wednesday. All right, number 9 is more. M-O-R-E. More. More is an adverb. So write down A-D-V, adverb. The opposite of more is less. L-E-S-S, less. You should have seen that in math class. And also fewer. Fewer is F-E-W-E-R. Fewer. So Less is no count or uncountable, like water. I have less water than I did before. And fewer would be count. So I can count these, right? I have fewer pencils than pens. I have 2 pens, I have 1 pencil. I have fewer pencils than pens. Fewer, F-E-W-E-R. I forget if I spelled that for you or not. Okay, and number 10 is door, D-O-O-R, door, knock on the door, and that is a noun. All right. Page 170, you need to follow the directions. Use this week's words. Number 1, write the word that goes with the picture. Number 2, write 4 more words that have the sound or. Number 3, write the word that means not easy or not soft. I told you that one. Number 4, write 4 more words that have the sound R. So this one should have the sound R. This one should have the sound or. Finish each question with the word that means not the whole thing. So not the whole thing, that word should be written 3 times. Here and here and here. And then the answers, you need to read the question and answer it again with the spelling words from this week. So you need to read the questions and answer correctly. Whew. Page 171, you've got to rewrite the sentences. So you're going to copy the whole sentence on the line, writing neatly. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the underlined word and you're going to change it to the opposite meaning. And the opposite meaning, I just told you the opposite meanings of all the spelling words. So this should be one of the spelling words that means the opposite of evening. So you want to put that in there and then write the sentence correctly on the line. Writing on your own? No, thank you. Not today. And page 172. Page 172. Change the letter to make it into one of these words and write the whole word on the line, not just the letter, write the whole word. And part B, answer each riddle with one of this week's words. So I want to talk about number 7, just to make sure you know it. Every farmer knows this is when a rooster crows. So when, one of these words tells us when. And when does a rooster crow? So this is a rooster and a rooster crow. In English, a rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay? And that's crows. Crows is cock-a-doodle-doo. Number 8, it might have a lock on it. If it's closed, you knock on it. Okay? And this part, again, finish the sentences. Read the sentences so you know which word to write. Mastery words. Mastery words are getting easy. I don't know why. I feel like they're very easy. So we have are, far, or. Wait, that says for. I'm sorry. Are, A-R-E, are. For, F-O-R, for. Or, O-R, or. And jar, A-R, jar. These are jars, okay? So write the word that sounds like for, take away the F, write another word, finish these sentences. This one is pickles. This word here, pickle. This is pickle. It's a vegetable that you put in a can and you can save it for a long time. And pennies. Pennies are a kind of American money. They look the same as a Taiwan $1. So the smallest coin, the brown coin, you know? Okay. And then finally, use are after words that name more than one thing. Write each sentence over. So write it again. Add S to the underlined word and use are in place of is. So this word needs S and take out is and put in are. And again for number 6, okay? Bonus words. Let's say them. Corner, C-O-R-N-E-R, corner. Farm, F-A-R-M, farm. Hardly, H-A-R-D-L-Y, order, O-R-D-E-R, order. Park, P-A-R-K, park. And short, S-H-O-R-T, short. So the three words that have R are farm, hardly, and park. The three words with or are corner, order, and short. Okay? All right, I'm going to stop there. The rest of that is your homework to do. And we want to do one page of spelling. This isn't your book. This is your book. Reading Street, page 171. Okay? As I said before, the test is going to be on simple machines, but we are moving on to the new story, Alexander Graham Bell. Today we're just going to do the high frequency words. I think they're all ones you know, not sure. All right, so page 171. Ready? Early, E-A-R-L-Y, early. The opposite of early is late. Your Monday lesson will go up early this week. I have to do it today, and today is Friday. So you can finish it over the weekend. Maybe take a break. Make sure you're getting breaks, okay? Learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. Learn right now. I teach, you learn, okay? That is a verb. Science, S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Spelling this word is not fun. Science. Okay, so in science class, what can you do in science class? In science class, you can learn about animals. And built, B-U-I-L-T, built. Built is the past tense of build. I build a house. My house was built 12 years ago, I think. And last one is through. This word, be careful the spelling. It's got an R. If you see the R, then the O-U-G-H sound is ooh. Through. If you take out the R, then you've got the word though. So this one is through. So you could say the ball went through the window. Through, okay? One more time, everybody. Early, learn, science, built, through. Okay, let's read these sentences. I'm going to read it, you listen, and then you read it, okay? Ready? Number 1, we learn to crawl early in life. Okay, number 2, he saw how our class built this science lab. And number 3, that fawn jumped through thick brush. What on earth does that mean? Fawn, F-A-W-N, means a baby deer, okay? Do you know deer? I don't think I have a deer right next to me. A deer, it's an animal. They're very cute. They live in the woods, okay? So a baby deer is a fawn. Brush means like bushes. A lot of bushes and like leaves and sticks. So if it's thick brush, it means like it's a lot of plants all together, bushes, and it's hard to go through, okay? Yes. All right, last thing. Still one more thing. Readers and Writers Notebook. It's okay, it's not homework. We'll do it right now together. Ready? Okay, so page 570, those high frequency words, and they really, really helped you out this week. Page 570. Read the sentences. unscramble the letters. Write the word on the line. So they give you the box. In the box, the words are built, early, learn, science, and through. Number 1. Many boys and girls like... Okay, so that word, you can see it's got an S-C-I-C-E-E-N. Which word can that spell? Those letters can spell science. So it should be many boys and girls like science. Number 2, we about plants. This word can spell, or these letters can spell learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. We learn about plants. So you should write learn on the line. Number 3, we get up to see the sun rise. So that word would be early. We get up early to see the sun rise. Number 4, we a little car. We built a little car. And the last one, we look the glass. See that? He's looking through. We look through the glass. Okay? Okay, we made it. That's it for Monday. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, and have a good day.